What's up, guys? Today is an exciting day. My VRSF Midpipes has come in. I wasn't gonna go this route. I was gonna go the Active Auto Works equal length midpipe, but the VRS midpipe is the one I ended up going with. For now, at least, I was able to get a sweet deal on it, so I couldn't pass up on that. So I went with it. I watched a lot of videos before going into this. All the videos that I saw, I really liked the sound. I was really interested in the sound. I just wanted a deeper sound. I didn't expect myself to get do exhaust mod before finishing the exterior of the car, but after getting in the car sometimes and hearing how quiet it was, it needed some noise to it. It needed to get some like girth. I wanted a deeper sound. So let's get right into it. So this is the full system, or not the full system, just the mid-pipe system. So it comes with all the, and here's the clamps. It's got VRSF and welded onto the pipe. So this is I forgot what it's called, the single ones. Instead of two pipes, it's just one big pipe. I think this is a 3-inch pipe, from what I remember. It comes with the VRSF brace that goes under the car. So my plan is tomorrow when I go into work, I'm gonna give it to one of my techs, have them put it up on the lift and install it in for me. I'm very excited for this because I really want the car to have a nice, good sound to it. I don't want the car to be too loud, but I just want it to be perfect. So hopefully, from the videos, what I've heard, this is gonna give it a great sound, but you guys will get a nice sound clip video later on. But this is just the introduction because I was excited. I had it recorded. So tomorrow, once I get everything put on, I'll make a full video, give my review on it, what my full opinions are, and the fitment and everything. So once we get it all going, we'll have a video for you guys. See you guys when all this is on. Today's the next day, guys, and we're working on it. Get the exhaust off. We're gonna do it the right way. Got the pipe exhaust right here. Lined everything up. Everything looks good. Just getting everything off. These bolts are low seized, but nothing we can't do. Got the rims clean. Got the car cleaned up for today. It's looking good up there. But in just a little bit, we'll hear the car. Quick update. We got the exhaust completely out. We're about to start piecing in the new exhaust together. Guys, you don't know how excited I am. No exhaust in right now. It looks crazy. But we got it going on. We got this one clamped in. Got it bolted in. And it's like this exhaust is crazy heavy compared to the VRSF. Got it embroidered down there. So not only is it better sounding, it's weight saving. It's saving a lot of weight. So now we need to cut here. Once we cut over here, you can take the clamps, clamp it on, make sure it's all sealed tight. No exhaust leaks, no nothing. You ready? Yeah. Hey guys, I'm back. This is day 2 of having the VRSF mid-pipe installed. Just want to give you guys my final thoughts and like my overall review of the exhaust. I want to say I love the sound. I truly like the sound that it gives. Today, there was some things that were like problematic, like my mufflers. I don't know what got into it, but it was like making a loud, like very annoying, obnoxious, like rattling noise. It sounded probably like a rock or something was stuck in it earlier today. I was like banging on it. Cause yeah, there was definitely something in there. So I was banging on it to like, you know, get the noise out. And all of a sudden I heard like a tink, and then for some reason, I think something got caught in the valve. So it was making a loud. It was honestly embarrassing. So we got that situated. Today we also had to, I still have to do it, honestly, tomorrow. There's a part close to where the mid pipe meets the down pipe. There's like there's where the clamp is, it's touching. The clamp, where the clamp bracket is touching the exhaust, causing another vibrating noise in the car. I will say, if you guys are interested, I don't know if it was just mine, but if you guys are interested in the VRSF mid pipe, there's going to be a little bit of complications you're going to run into. For me, I ran into two, which is that part in the front. And towards the back that I showed in the video, we had to bang. I had to take it to one of my body shop guys. They heated up like the corner of the pipe on the passenger side. It was banging up on the differential. So we had to like heat it up and melt it, like not melt it, but like get it hot enough for us to bang it with a hammer and make it so like it's dented so it won't hit the differential. Yeah, a little janky, but it's what I have to do. The exhaust is nice. I love the tone that it has. It's a complete different beast. If it's an efficient mode, switching over to Sport Plus, I love the sound. Loud, like cracks and popples, and when you like step on the gas, you're like pop, like pop, and yeah, that's my imitation, but. Yeah, this was just a little video to show you guys the process of putting it on. I'm gonna keep trying to be consistent as much as I can. I know, but I'm trying, guys. I will soon have a video, like a full video of the exhaust, showing you guys just like what it sounds like in efficient mode, what it sounds like in sport mode, what it sounds like in Sport Plus, maybe some driving, exterior driving. I want to go ahead and in-depth video for you guys, but this is just the installing day, and yesterday, well, this is day 2. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Keep tuning in for the future videos. I'm gonna keep trying to roll stuff up. We got some carbon fiber side skirts coming next. We got the diffuser coming next, and we got a lot of probably a little bit more simple things coming in. But I also got some plans with my rims and my calipers. So stay tuned for that, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Being tuned, we out.